Alright, let's look at the homework 3.1, problem number 4. Alright, so first we want to find the derivative of this cubic function. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we have, it's going to be y prime is going to be equal to, right, power rule. Put 3 in front, x, and then subtract 1 from the power. So that. And then you have a plus 3 is a constant multiple. Then you take the derivative of x squared, which is going to be 2x, right? And then you have a negative 9 is a constant multiple here, so write that down. But the derivative of x is 1. And then derivative of 9 is 0, since 9 is a constant. So we have that, and let's clean it up. So if you clean it up, you're going to get the 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so we have 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. Alright, so we have that. And then the graph of y has a horizontal tangent line. So if it's a horizontal tangent line, slope is going to be 0. So we want to set the derivative equal to 0. Right? Set the y prime equal to the value above here, so which is 0. And we want to find the value of x. Right? So let's do that. So we set this guy equal to 0. Then as you can see that everyone is a multiple of 3. So I'm going to actually go ahead and divide by 3, right? That way we're going to have x squared plus 2x, right, minus 3 is equal to 0, right? Then we can factor this out easily. So you have x, and let's see, we're going to have x plus 3 and x minus 1. Would that work? Multiply negative 1 and 3, you get negative 3. You can add 3 and negative 1, you get positive 2. So we know that this is correct. And therefore, x value is, if you set x plus 3 equal to 0, x is negative 3. If you set x minus 1 equal to 0, you get positive 1. Right, so let's type it in. Right, so we got negative 3 comma positive 1. Right, so we have that. Right, find the point on the given curve where the tangent line is horizontal. So we already have x coordinates. So you have a negative 3 comma. Right, so this one's done. The x coordinate is there, and then 1 comma. Right. Then what you need to do is put these values back into the original function so that we can find the corresponding y value. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so let's try, so I'll do the x equals 3 first. So if x equals 3, y is going to be equal to, actually, sorry, negative 3. I forgot the negative sign, negative 3. Alright, so you have a negative 3 cubed. Cubed, and plus 3 times negative 3 squared minus 9 times negative 3 plus 9. Right, so this is going to be equal to negative 3 cubed is negative 27. Right, negative 3 squared with 9, 3 times 9 is positive 27. So they actually cancel each other out, right? And then you have a negative 3 times negative 9 is positive 27, and then plus 9. So this is going to be 36, right? So we know that the value here is 36, right? Then for x equals 1, so if x is equal to 1, then y corresponding y value is same formula. So it's going to be 1 cubed plus 3 times 1 squared minus 9 times 1 plus 9. So this is going to be, so 1 cubed is 1, and 3 times 1 is going to be 3, minus 9 plus 9. So minus 9 plus 9 cancel out. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So we know that the corresponding value for that would be 4. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got all parts correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.